Sorry for the clutter. Ron Mbatogo with the Somali presentation at the Second World Black and African Festival of Arts and Culture in the main hall of the National Theatre in Gomu, Lagos. We've been through two songs of part one of the program. There was a brief medley of song and dance to serve as an opening greeting. Then music and songs, a musical composition entitled Greetings from the Horn of Africa. Now we are into the second song. It's a song entitled... Oh, by the way, I have to introduce some gentleman here who is with me. It's Yusuf Abdi Ibrahim. He's the Director of Culture in Somalia. Welcome, Yusuf.
Thanks a lot.
Right, do you want to explain, this song?
Yes, this song going on is one of the oldest songs that actually marks the turning point of the change from the traditional rural nomadic type of songs and dances to the city sort of songs and dances usually concerned with men and women getting closer and getting more romantic than they used to be in the countryside.
So this is in essence a love song?
This is a love song. A love song that goes back to about early 1940s.
Well, Yusuf, we'll get to talking about this trip later. But first of all, let's see a little bit more about the dancing, of the dancing and the song. I'm fascinated very much by the oriental dressing of the ladies on stage now, and also their mode of singing. As a matter of fact, Yusuf here says that this is the city style of love song. What do you say is called back home in Somalia?
Back home it's called hello or bello.
The traditional pastoral love songs are called what?
The traditional love songs used to be called heso.
Well, I see the musicians are now coming on. They seem to have